Okay, I got a few shorter videos to get through this Easter weekend. I'm going to do the rear windshield wiper on the Pathfinder. You can see this one is being damaged from the winter. That's okay. To get these off, you pretty much just rotate it backwards until it pops off the wiper arm. So I'll take a little closer. You see the full cutout and then there's sort of a partial cutout. So on the wiper, there's a full bar that goes across. That one goes into sort of that full cutout, and then on the wiper as well, there's two little tabs, and those slide into that partial cutout. So full bar goes in the large cutout, and then those two little tabs go through that small channel. And it attaches just like that. So again, to get it off, really just twist it around rearward, pop it out of those channels. I got some rust. Hopefully I can do a video on that coming up. This wiper is a 12B for the rear of the Pathfinder. You can see it's got the full bar going across, and then it's got the two small tabs on either side, and that lines up with the wiper arm. Just take off that piece of plastic that protects the wiper blade and install it just like I was showing on the old one. Basically, the wiper blade goes in almost backwards. Get that one bar in there and then twist it until those two little tabs go through the channels on the wiper blade arm. And it's that easy. It doesn't actually look like it's holding on very well, but seems to do the trick. Anyway, fast and easy. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.